Hello guys, how are you doing today? It's a pleasure having you here. Tolu of CSA Forex, Common Sense Approach to Forex Trading. And I want us to just have a quick chit chat. Today is the 9th of December. The year is more or less over. And of course, a lot of things have happened this year. So I just want to tell you, right, if you don't already know that is, why you need to trade, why you need to, go into the financial markets. This year has been, well, permit me to say, this year has been a crazy one. When we talk about the likes of the inflation has been with us throughout this year. And if you're not aware, inflation is a killer. If you leave your money in the bank, it is losing value. Imagine having to save money in the bank, expecting to pull it out and then be able to buy something, only to get that information that what you want to buy, the value has dropped tremendously. You need more money to be able to purchase that same thing. Inflation, trust me, is not a laughing matter whatsoever. And the world at large, globally, they have all felt it and they're still feeling it. And going into the year 2023, you're going to still be hearing things like hike in rates from the central banks, from the Fed, from Bank of England, and so on, right? Bank of Canada. They're going to be doing this, right, in order to, try to curb the rising inflation. So there are a lot of things that are happening this year, and of course, the reasons why we really need to go into the financial markets now. As an example, I normally ask people, when do you want to retire? Because trust me, this is something that people have not been thinking of. But I then wonder, you're 20 something, you're 30 something, the older you get, the more you start to think of settling down, slowing down, with respect to some things that you are doing. Why not start thinking about it now? I don't know your age, you know your age, obviously. Of course, if you are still a bit, on the young lane, maybe 20, 30s, thereabout, you still have a good advantage compared to somebody that is like maybe 50 plus, right? So why not start investment now? Why not learn how to trade the Forex market, right? So you are doing that because of inflation, you need more money, and of course the 9 to 5 that you are doing, trust me, is not cutting it. Some people that I know are working even 2 or 3 jobs. 2 or 3 jobs, trust me, you do not have any time for yourself. And that's the truth. If you're on that boat, you can comment in the section below. You're working 2 or 3 jobs, you will not have time for yourself, right? Now, I don't even know whether you are married. If you are married, will you have time for your significant other? If you have children, will you have time for your children? Will you be able to go and watch their games? Will you be able to go to the school to pick them up on rounds? Having that freedom. So, benefits of trading, apart from the finances, which you can get from working 2 or 3 jobs or 4 jobs or whatever, killing yourself in one day, 24 hours, you're working like 16, 18, 20 hours a day. That is crazy. You need to sleep, you need to rest, the body needs to regenerate, and so on, right? So if you are doing this, trust me, this is not the way to go about it. You are making money, but what about the freedom? That's why you'll always hear people say financial freedom. You have the finances and then you have the freedom. So people have the finances but don't have the freedom. And if you have the freedom, you can easily work on the finances because you have time to multitask and do other things, even from the comfort of your home. Trading the financial market, whether you're trading the Forex market or the crypto market, stocks, commodities, or whatever instrument that you are trading out there, trust me, on the long run, it can help you to get to where you need to be. Look at it this way: you are trading the S&P 500, the top 500 companies in the US, or you are trading the NASDAQ or whatever, and then you just like Warren Buffett does, he buys and holds, but he understands what he's doing, obviously. Because if you look at the crypto market this year, has been crazy. I'm not even going to go into that now. Maybe at another time, we'll pick that up as a topic. But the good thing now is that you can buy and hold, and then if you understand the market better, you can even sell for a lengthy period of time by understanding the ups and downs, by understanding the supply and demand of the market. Demand greater than supply, price is going to be going up. Supply greater than demand, and then the price is going to be going down. Now, I'm going to round up now because I don't want to take too much of your time. The holidays are obviously around the corner. Christmas is around the corner. Before you know it, 2023 is already here, and then you're already thinking of your New Year resolution, how you want to achieve your financial freedom. But I always tell people, advise people that don't wait till 2023. Why not start now? Why not start the planning now? How do you want to achieve it? How do you want to learn this? Right. So if you're interested in attending a mentorship with me, right, you can use the comments in the description. I have a link in the description. Click on it. You can also book a call to discuss with me further. Let's see what we can do together. Let's have a free call first of all to see whether you're a good fit, and then of course to put you in the right direction. I'll give you advice even if you don't work together, because trust me, helping people at the end of the day is the way to go. And of course, it helps the world to grow, and it helps everybody to smile at the end of the day. So I want to say thank you to everybody. If you are new to this channel, if you're new to this my section, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share this with other people as well. So I want to say thank you guys. It has indeed been a good one. Enjoy the rest of the day, and if you don't get to hear from me because I'm winding down, trying to spend some quality time with the family, make calls to those that I can't see, spend time with those, hug them, play with them, and that's what it's all about. So I want to say thank you guys. It has indeed been a good one. Enjoy the rest of the day, enjoy the rest of the week, enjoy the rest of the month, the year, and so on. I'll see you soon. Thank you guys. Goodbye and God bless. Cheers.